is up? It's KJanix here, and today I am gonna start a brand new series called KJ Vlogs, or a brand new channel. And yeah, so here I'm with
Six Lies.
Yo, and so we're gonna try and climb like a abandoned building or something. Hopefully not get interfered by the cops. So right now we're gonna go to a shop, get some drinks, and yeah, then afterwards we'll try and find a spot which to climb. Guys, we just went to one stop, but we realized that the drinks are so expensive. Don't you like? What was the price of like a Monster's Energy?
Like, depends. It was one. Somewhat like £1. It was like one, and then there's like 1 cent.
Which is like kind of crazy because there isn't like really much in it. Which is like 500ml for £2. Like, I don't think that's normal. So right now we're gonna go to Poundland, I think, or like a different corner shop, and then hopefully, like in that shopping mall, we'll try and climb on top. Hopefully if it is possible, that is. Yeah, right now we've been walking like for 10 or 15 minutes. Just if we won't find the area there, then we'll climb somewhere else. Of course, we have like 5 hours to waste before we need to go back. So yeah. It is literally dead all around. This is just kind of stupid. Wow. Cheers, man. Have a good day. I think we might have found a spot which to climb up to. Possibly. Like, look over that way. See all those factories? Possibly over there. We're not sure because one of them's like completely abandoned, so we should be Gucci. But we just need to find an entry. So guys, I think we found a spot, right? But look, like there's like 5 cars here, minimum. Oh my god, there's even like a lorry. Like this is like massive factory. So like, I really do not know. What should we do? This quick update, we are actually gonna climb on top of these like brand new buildings which are getting made right now. So yeah, they should actually be good. Bro, look. Oh, 7 days. So much litter here. Oh, can you imagine? You are gonna live in these type of houses, brand new, but there's so much litter. Oh my god. Yeah, so guys, we are gonna.
What we gonna do?
We are gonna try and get in somehow, possibly. So, oh guys, we were just inside there, right? And I walked in, right? Of course, I had to climb over. And then afterwards, no, we just scouted the place out for tomorrow. Why we left was because we got caught. And of course, I was actually gonna go to record, right? Because we were gonna climb up. No, of course, I get caught. He didn't get caught, did you? Did you get caught? I was like, what do you mean? Like, and I just legged it. I'm not sure if you can see him or not, but I don't think so. Yeah, I'll keep you updated. Tomorrow we are definitely getting on there, so be ready for a part 2 of this. Now, but guys, I'm still gonna make a vlog of this. I'm gonna make a normal vlog, guys. You know, gonna be at home staying up all night. Should we go at 5 AM? We might be going to that place at 5 AM. Possibly not, but I think we will. You guys, we're in right now, see? We're in, and yo, no jokes, the houses can see us, like from up there. It's really sketchy, so like, we'll give you some gameplay from this. guys, I think we're gonna dip because, yo, I think that's a guy. Yo, we're gonna really dip really fast. Yo, someone just got out of a car. Yo, we're gonna get out right now. We're gonna get out right now. Oh my god, go. Oh my god, guys, run. Guys. Yo, guys, there's literally houses everywhere. Oh my god, guys, what? This is so intense. Oh my god. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna text him to get over here because this is my only exit to get out. Look at all these houses. So yeah, guys, see you in a minute. Yo, guys, I think I got caught. Guys, literally, I think I got caught. Oh my god. You can see that. Let's go. I literally got caught. I'm not joking. I literally got caught.
My phone fell from this height.
Did it crack?
Fell. Luckily, no.
Dude, I literally got caught. I'm gonna take this
My
off.
screen protector is damaged in every corner.
Guys,
anyway.
I got caught.
My phone is scratched here.
Yeah.
My phone's damaged here.
Yeah.
Here. It's damaged.
Guys, I got caught, so I have to take this off. They literally saw me all blue and they told me to stop. I literally ran like a full circle, the whole building. We're at the back of it right now. We ran a full circle. You vlog it.
See this fence here? My phone fell from a fucking top here because it fell out of my bag, which is fucking shit. Luckily, it's not cracked. It's just like that scratched up every corner.
Fam, no way they're gonna guess that who I am. I'm fucking fat. Hey, guys, I promised you that we would get in, and we did. See, vlogs for life.
I really wish my phone didn't fall because that's quite fucking high. It's higher than me. And I'm like 6 foot. I mean 5'10", 5'11".
Yo, guys, we are gonna upload daily bangers on this channel, KJ Vlogs. Please subscribe. I know that this was a long vlog, but like our next vlog's gonna be like something fun, like me and him doing like challenges or like eating hot stuff. He's better at that, but we'll do something cool for tomorrow's vlog. Peace out.
So, doing nothing, shorty,